What it started with teaching English to our domestic helps children has now turned to be an after-school program with an underlying vision that each child can reach to his or her optimum, and the scope to achieve this lies in positive psychology.
Who are first generation school going children?
The children who have started going to school, whose parents have not seen the school or maybe have gone to school for up to class 1 or class 2, but they have aspirations for their children to be educated and to do better than themselves in their life. Yeah.
Okay, tell me, what is a goal? Circle. Circle. Like this. The way we are sitting, it is a goal. Okay, I am not telling the Hindi goal. I am asking about English goal.
We are not looking at only academics. We are looking at holistic development. What we call is shaping the young mind. Reach Beyond provides a congenial environment and cognitive stimulation to optimize their potential by providing facilities like indoor games, like chess and caroms, training and hands-on usage of computers, maths and reasoning, English communicative language, and many other activities. I think let's hear it from the children what they have to say about it, as I can go on and on and on.
Welcome to Reach Beyond. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart.
My name is Bhargavi. I am studying in 5th class.
My name is Guru Prakash. Vignesh.
Samira. Kiran. Santosh. During English class, we learn phonics and phonics grammar. We are talk in English to each other. It very helps us.
I didn't know grammar in summer holidays. Jayashree ma'am planned to have grammar classes, so I learned grammar and it helped me in my studies and in my school. So this way Reach Beyond helped me. So I want to thank Jayashree ma'am to give this opportunity to me and Vandana ma'am to teach us grammar.
I like computer classes at the center. Before I came to center, I don't know how to operate the computer. Now I am doing perfect.
In my school are there no computer classes. I can learn here computer classes such as QBasic and Excel classes. And thank you to Shilpa ma'am and Jayashree ma'am.
I did not understand math class in school. That's why I come to center to learn and practice math class.
Initially, the children here would not attend maths class, finding it difficult to understand. But with simple techniques and easy methods and one-to-one interaction, the children have really found interest in learning maths, which gives me intense pleasure and happiness.
Now I am improved in maths. Thank you.
There were some children who were very hesitant in talking, let alone in English.
We take cover.
We should.
We work in teams. We work in teams.
When we come to Reach Beyond, I have learned English, math, social in Reach Beyond. I love Reach Beyond.
We started with storytelling, and the whole concept of communicative English, speaking, discussing, talking to each other in English just took a life of its own there. And that's when we realized that the skill that we wish to give these children is what we would like to give our own children, that we don't see. We want the children who come out of Reach Beyond to be able to stand on the same footing and have a sense of self-confidence, self-worth. of being able to speak comfortably with anyone.
I was invited by Jayashree ma'am and Khadija to initially do sessions on English enhancement training with the children in Reach Beyond, which subsequently got modified to doing sessions in positive psychology and well-being. I love being with children, I love working with children. I've been involved in alternative education. So I was very happy to be given the opportunity to actually design the course with a lot of input from Jayashree ma'am. The children have been absolutely wonderful. They took to the sessions really well. They were participative.
I like the positive psychology classes and spoken English classes also. In positive psychology classes, I think of positive things, and spoken English classes helpful to me to to talk in English with others.
What I really liked is the fact that with the kind of curriculum and the competitive world that we live in, there's a lot of stress that children undergo in school, and then they come back home and they have a lot of after school studies to do as well. So something like positive psychology, I feel, is absolutely essential for children, and it has to be done in a way which is meaningful and relevant to them, so that they can actually see that when they begin to view themselves and their relationships positively, the thoughts are positive, the actions are positive, it actually then immediately has an effect on their academic work and their personal relationships as well.
Let's think. Your friend has fought with you. Fought means fighting. Your friend has fought with you and you want to make friends with that friend again. Okay? Within 1 week, you should give tiffin and your friend will come back to you. Gift. Okay, good. And gifts. Gifts. And later. Later, yeah. Saying sorry.
It is a mutual communication which happens. What are they doing and why?
I love to challenge, and if anyone will not do any work, I like to do that work, and I enjoy the challenge to myself because I like challenges very well. I enjoyed in that way.
I learned how to behave with elders, friends and teachers. That was helpful in school. We all went to Birla Planetarium. There they showed about planets and stars. During my physics exam, I remembered it and I wrote exam very well. In this way, Reach Beyond helps me. So I want to thank Jayashree ma'am.
I always had a dream of sharing my experiences of life and giving back to the society what I have learned in my academics. What could have been a better place to teach and support the underprivileged children at Reach Beyond to share my experiences?
There are certain notions one has of children who come from underprivileged backgrounds and what they're able to do. It's that these children are there in your own neighborhood, and it just is a question of putting that will out there, the intention out there to do good. And just like any other child, if they're given the right environment, they'll flourish.
I love watering plants at the center because it gives us fruit, shade, oxygen, fresh air also, etc. This I have learned from Reach Beyond, how to save trees.
Lots of activities have been introduced to gain their attention and focus, basically what we call as mindfulness. At a specified time, there goes a bell and everybody closes their eyes and there's pin drop silence for 5 minutes. It is called the silence time. They internalize whatever is going in their mind or whatever is being taught. One more thing what they do at the center is they maintain their own place. Before the prayer time is what we call is Swachh Center time.
In center, I like to do cleaning and watering the plants.
Children are doing Swachh Bharat. What? Yes, we are doing Swachh Bharat.
They have groups, each group about 3 to 4 children a day take one jhadu and you will see all around that they want to keep the place where they were neatly when they're going back. Lots of things we have learned from children, especially I. I have learned to smile with them. I have learned to understand how difficult it is to empathize when you really want to scold them. But I am able to really go with the flow with them, and I get fully rejuvenated once I have one session or any discussion with them.
We celebrate each other's birthdays. We sing for the birthday boy or girl and cut a cake. It makes us feel happy.
I love Reach Beyond.
I love Reach Beyond.
I love Reach Beyond. I love Reach Beyond.
Anything you start, it starts with one step. We started in a humble way. And now, almost 3 to 4 years, we have reached now to this stage where, we are trying to find out where to reach beyond. So we found the answer in these children who are the first generation school-going children, whose parents have all the aspirations. They want them to be doctor, they want them to be engineer, they want them to be pilot, but how? So this is what Reach Beyond has aimed, to take these children to their ultimately where they want to go.
I think it was a team effort, so credit goes to everyone, and credit to Reach Beyond for doing something like this.
When you're saying prayer, you are thanking to the Almighty. And Sahana Bhavatu is the prayer which says that together we can. So we look at not their development, but our development as well.
All of us in society have to join hands to make sure that this happens and make a difference in the life of the child in this 21st century.
Right now, what we are doing at Reach Beyond is just sowing the seed of positivity and positive psychology. Rest will be told by the future.
When you send out your positive intention to do good for others, it has a magic and a life of its own. And this is definitely something what we're seeing, and it's the children who have taught us to reach beyond our own limits.
Success makes you happy. Happiness can be achieved easily through positive mindset. Hence, I believe and support this cause.